I'm Sarah Keogh and I'm talking nutrition tips as part of National Workplace Wellbeing Day. And today we're looking at snacking at work, or planning a little bit ahead in terms of what you're going to eat at work. So we all know that we can have great plans, but if we miss lunch or we end up working at a desk, we don't always get the right nutrition in. So some handy things to have in work, ready to go, are things like nuts and seeds, which are fantastic snacks because they're really rich in minerals, which are very good for us. And they can be just eaten in the hand, or they can be added into something like yogurt, which is brilliant as well because it's going to give us some calcium, iodine, a little bit of protein, so it's a really good snack. Fruit is always going to come in there. In Ireland, we could all do with eating a little more fruit and vegetables, so snacking on fruit in between meals is a really good way to top that up. And then other things that can be handy is keeping things like maybe tins of tuna, tins of salmon, those sort of things handy because they will stay in your desk, they're not going to go off on you, and they're very useful if you do end up needing to have a snack or take a lunch very quickly. Stay tuned for more nutrition tips as part of National Workplace Wellbeing Day, and if you would like to sign up your workplace, go to fooddrinkireland.ie/wellbeing.